Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Make Maharashtra. Previous session we have seen the manufacturing catalog for flat belt, and right now we are going to check the selection of V-belt drive from manufacturing catalog. First of all, I will tell you the manufacturing catalog process, how to select, because this is somewhat complicated. Number of graphs, charts are present here, so please listen carefully, understood, and then try to solve. So as I told you, the V cross section is there. So for that V, this will be the 40-degree groove angle 25. This will be the height and this will be the width of a belt drive V cross section. Now first chart, I'll explain chart. First chart is related to the standard cross section. What happened basically, the V belt drive is defined on the basis of 4 categories, A, B, C, D, E, 5 categories. So A, you can see A belt, A type of V belt, B type of V belt, C type, D type and E type V belt we can use. So how can we select which type is suitable? So that will be select, see on X axis there will be the power rating, on Y axis there is a RPM. So according to this we are going to select. Suppose the power is 20 kilowatt is given and for a 500 RPM. So I'll for power of 20 kilowatt and 500 here RPM. So meeting point is situated at between C region, in between C region. So that I can say the C type of V belt drive we can use. So if I select the value of C type belt drive, belt section, its width will be 22, its thickness will be 14, its minimum diameter is 300 mm. Understood? Very simple. So according to type we need to select the parameter directly from the chart. Next, the conversion of inside length to pitch length of the belt. Here I need to explain you. See, this is V belt, correct? Now while considering the length, we have to consider this much length directly. Now we have not considered this inside length, Li we can say. This will be the inside length. So that we need to calculate and add it. So that will be the total length. Clear? Therefore, the conversion of inside length into pitch length, if R cross section from previous assumption, if C cross section, belt section we have selected, the difference between pitch length and inside length is 56. We'll have to take directly. Understood? Now this will be the table which will helps to find out the preferred value of diameter. Suppose my answer is 225 coming. So it means that 236 diameter is suitable, nearer. That will have to select for the pitch diameter of the pulley. Clear? All these things are based on chart and graph. Now this is a power rating of V belt drive. Suppose, as I told you, here we have selected 236 mm diameter from my calculation. So 236, for that 236 and C cross section, see C cross section 236, power rating is 8.28. Understood? 8.28. Therefore the number of V belts, as I told you, V belt can manufacture on the basis of number of belts joining. So V belts, number of belt is equal to transmitted power in kilowatt into FA. FA is load correction factor, as we have seen in flat belt drive, divided by kilowatt rating of the belt into arc of contact factor FD into FL, inside length. So FL we can calculate, see here, I'll tell you one by one. FA correction factor, FD arc of contact factor, and FL that length correction factor, FL. Clear? So FA value we can select from the chart. Suppose blower is using and which will work for 10 to 16 hours. This information if included in the statement, then I will have to select FA is 1.2. Okay? If they have mentioned the, see this value also important. If the power is more than 7.5 kilowatt, if power is up to 7.5 kilowatt, accordingly we will have to select correction factor. Next will be, as I told you, corrected length, because inside length we cannot measure. So that length we need to find out from the manufacturing catalog. Inside length, this is Li. So Li can be found out. Suppose C cross section we have selected as we have assumed, and the value of Li. So Li will get the length of inside length directly. I'll show you here. just listen this, Li is equal to total length Li is equal to total length minus C cross section, this 56 minus 56, and this Li we can calculate from here. See, if this value is nearer to this, suppose value 29 something value is there, 2965, so in that case I will have to select 3045. For C cross section I will get 0.97, which will be the value of Li inside length. Correct? This is again from manufacturing catalog. So this is also same Li chart as per the section, belt section we need to select it. I hope clear. I hope you understood this. I'll tell you what we have discussed in this session. So select from the manufacturing catalog. First of all, select this chart through which we'll get the belt section A, B, C, D by power and RPM. If I select one, so then for that I'll calculate width, thickness and pulley diameter directly. Next will be the belt section to calculate inside length. If I select this, I will have to subtract this 56 in the calculation, and whatever be the diameter coming, that will be round figure nearer value from this diameter section. Next will be the power rating we can calculate. As I told you, example 236 is there, power rating is 8.28. Therefore, number of belt for V belt drive is calculated by this formula, and directly FA value select from this chart, Li inside length value select from this chart. Okay, so this is the procedure for selection of V belt from manufacturing catalog. I hope you understood. You can ask me. Thank you.